Grandmother and mother of one of the victims slain in Clarendon took the time to offer condolences to the family of Donna. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. This is the place where we discuss issues of national importance, global importance, or just issues that are buzzing in the news. So what we want to talk about on the program today is the disappearance of social media influencer Donna, and also just to remember that family that was actually slain in Clarendon. Very hard time, two touching stories that we want to discuss on the program today. So when you look on what transpired in Clarendon before we get into the Donna story, that is a very sad and unfortunate situation. And these two stories actually happened in the same period of time that caused a whole lot of turmoil across the country and people to weep openly based on the circumstances surrounding the disappearance of Donna and what transpired at that house in Clarendon that left a mother and her children deceased. She has been laid to rest. However, the mother has still not picked up the pieces because this is a very difficult thing to deal with, and no one can get over such a trauma in just a few days. As she remembered her daughter, she also took the time to remember the family of Donna and also to offer her condolences to the family. What happened at the house in Clarendon will be a memory that will live on in the family and also in the community for a very long time. And we at Links 007 TV just want to wish the family all the best as they cope during this difficult time. So as it relates now to the case of Donna, a missing person and presumed dead at this point in time, the police are still continuing their investigation into the matter, and there have been a numerous theories that has been going on online, but the police have not concretely stated what they believe actually transpired through its entirety with Donna. Up until now, the body of the missing female has not been recovered, and the man at the center of the investigation, Mr. Noel Maitland, is in custody and have not really gotten a chance to have his case heard before the court in its entirety just yet. As we await another court date, many people are hoping that the family will get the justice that they deserve, because this is one of those stories that has been trending online, and it has been a difficult time for the family coping with the disappearance of the social media influencer.
So Mama Gwen, where go on, man? Why we love you have me say that, trust me. We see you do it, and go on with it. Yes, man, people, so we're there, people, and we're going to hold the drive with Mama Gwen, you know, because it's a sad moment. So Mama Gwen, we see the people them there and the rest them still there and them now left you, and as we're coming at the place, people are peer rain and fall. You understand? And the whole town still tense. People them still a moan. You understand? So you don't know the Empress here, people. You don't know me deal with Donna thing over there. So let's have to come in and come check Mama Gwen now, people. You understand? So Mama don't know the Emperor now when we come in now, because we know say you spend up a whole heap of money over there. You the people make a look at thing for pay back the bills, but through a whole heap of eagle come in because you know the country run away, so you don't make the money and thing, and we feel a pain, so we just carry a little contribution for come here. You understand? So see the people.
Thanks.
Yeah, because I don't know.
God bless you.
Yeah, man. So
I just want to big up all the Maroon School that reach out to help me. Everyone, foreign and abroad. I just want to tell you how much I am grateful for what you have done for me. And everyone in my community, I bless you up because you have been here for me. And with God blessing and love, that giving me the strength to continue to hold on. Up till now, I can't get over my daughter and my grandchildren because they were my life. Today I would be sitting here and I could call my daughter and said, come and go to the wholesale for me, or go to the supermarket or whatever to buy me goods them, you know, because my foot not so good. And now I don't have no one to call. I don't have anyone to call. because that brutal, wicked boy has taken her away from me. My grandchildren would be here right now running up and down, dancing and let me laugh. Where they are all taken away from me. You know? So it is a very, very critical time for me right now. I don't know my head from my foot. Sometimes I just sit down and somebody calling me and I don't even hear, because I don't know where I am. I am lost without my daughter and my grandchildren, them. So I just want to big up the Emperor, as what he said, 7, because he don't leave me out. After everything has done and happened, he's the one. I saw him come here now to come and see how I am doing, carry a token for me to keep me going, and I bless him for that. God bless you. God bless you. All the Maroon crew, God bless you so much. I appreciate what you have been doing for me and my family, because you don't leave me out. The kids them buried and everything. I thank the ministers them who do that, and I appreciate what they done for me. But everything has happened, and now I am on my own now. All alone. I don't see no one come and visit me. And he even said, Mama Gwen, how you keeping up, how you holding up, what is the next move or whatever. I don't see them, no one, but I see the Emperor. He has come to see me, and I bless him for that. I thank him for that. Yes. And God bless him. God bless the Maroon. God keep them, God guide them, and God protect them. Yes. And keep up the good work, because there are a lot of people out there that need this kind of help. Yes. And I want to reach out there and tell everyone that is hurting right now, just hold on to God, unchanging hand, because God is the keeper of our life, and He will strengthen us and guide us and keep us the strength that we all deserve. And no matter what in life, there is a God that sees everything and knows everything that has been happening to our children, our brothers, our sisters, and everything that has happened. I know that they're going to pay daily. Whosoever do all these acts, Donna Lee mother, I just want to bless you. You are feeling the pain that I am feeling right now, and I know what you have been going through. You understand? The brutal murder of your daughter. And my condolence go out to you and the family, because right now I see and I know how you might be feeling right now. But all I'm telling you, just have strength. Just have faith in God, because everything is going to come true for you, my lady. Yes, God is going to give you the desire, the justice that you're supposed to have. I am seeking my justice too, and no matter what, I am not going to give up until justice serves for my daughter and my grandchildren. That brutal boy kill and murder and feel say I'm going to sit down in a prison and eat taxpayer money and get fat and shine. Meanwhile, me out here suffering, crying every day. You understand? Crying. Don't know my head from my foot. Sometimes I feel like I am lost. I'm lost. Not even the shop sometimes I don't want to come. Come sit down in my own little shop where me I try to liberate and help me. And not even hit sometimes I don't want to, because my mind is not here. My mind is gone. I am losing it because of my daughter and my grandchildren, with that boy brutally murdered in cold blood. And I need justice for it. I need justice. Justice must be served. Yes, justice must be served. Can't just get up and kill people like them a hog and goat. Huh? No. I feel like all is well and lie down and comfortable like everything is gonna work out and you're gonna just walk out, I sell and come out back, come live again and come kill more people. No! Justice must be served. I need justice for my daughter and my grandchildren them. Because you're not going to come back out here again, come kill more people again. No! Justice must be served.
Justice.
And Mr. Minister, Mr. Andrew Olness, I am telling you this. I need justice for my son, for my daughter, and my grandchildren them. Because if you don't allow that boy to come back out here, and if he come back and kill again, hey, it's all on your shoulder, Mr. Andrew Olness. It's on your shoulder. And I am telling you, I am here grieving. I am here mourning. I don't stop mourning because see it? A black tire up on my head. Not even me here me can't do. See it there? Not even hit. Because me not have the time to do it. And my daughter them me have. I feel consider over me one daughter. And my grandchildren them. When me couldn't have to look upon and be joyful and happy. Me only 4 grandchildren. None for dance for me right now. Because if they were here, they would be dancing and I would be laughing. My one daughter.
And people for sure say, Mama Gwen, a good woman people, see it here. And the puppy there foot people, see it here. One look a puppy there foot. See it here, hug her up people. So you see even the puppy, you show people. So, people, and a joke thing, a serious thing. Yeah, so Mr. Ori said just to come off of the farm. Yeah, some people there with Mama Gwen. So people we have shown you say and the support who are for Mama Gwen people. Yeah, son? Because right now people I come here to the people and light bill almost gone a sky people and phone line cut off people and see it zinc coaster people it a leak. Yeah, son? Because I want to with the emperor show the real thing, you know.
Yeah.
So after they have to give Mama Gwen the strength, 7 people. 7 we say. Yeah, son? So who are justice? I wouldn't hear nothing but politicians ever talk. The boy they not jail right now, people, and they get fat like mangoes. People. You understand? And them attacks if you give and forget. Oh, can you forgive somebody who killed 4 baby? See that? See the baby them, my baby. Baby smaller than him, the boy kill. And kill the mother in own family who put him up. Sacrifice style people. So Mama Gwen people who have to feel her pain. You understand? Mama Gwen.
Mournful.
That's right now. Me not see even the house, me don't want nobody even live back in the house. Feel who are turn the house in a museum. You understand? That people can come from all over the world. For come see the situation, see the tribulation, see the pain. Right now, even the government them should have get you. And we find out so them not get you. So you don't know the Maroon government never left your side.
Yeah.
You understand? So people, are we there for uno? One for all, and all for one.
Yeah.
You understand? So you see, Mama going to reach out to Donna Lee's mother because she lose 4 baby, 1 big daughter. So she can support all of the mothers them, all of the people them worldwide who lose a pitney.
Yeah, the pain, she know the pain.
Mama Gwen know the 4-time pain, not even 1-time pain. And she know it from the wickedest side. When a family what she take off of the road and put up and feed and clothes, turn around and kill her generation.
Stab me in the back.
That a stab, that a Mama Gwen, that a stabbing at the back, the side, the foot bottom, the head, the toe, that a all over get stabbed. Mama Gwen, we'll come see you, we'll support you now. Yes, son? And as we say, as long as the Maroon Emperor there and the Maroon government, we're going to always try to put a thing, because we know say your foot sick right now and you still take the medication them and you understand? So we're gonna see if we can help you with the pill them and them thing there. And Mr. Orius now, we're gonna see if we can sort him out with a phone too, cause you know him not have no phone. You understand? Cause somebody did say them give you a little thing for your phone, but come like them turn back with it. You understand? So people, if you can support Mama Gwen and emotionally, spiritually, anyway people, she need the support. And right now she have a bad foot. You understand? She under some whole heap of pill people and the bills have pile up like war on her and her daughter who they help her gone. So people, that's the thing there. And big up all of the school teacher them who used to teach Mama Gwen grandpitney them. We soon come go on a visit and go on an interview. You understand? Because the school teacher them say them want to say a thing because they never get to say a thing, you understand? So Mama Gwen, but like how you big up Miss Sophia and I tell her say, hold it, because you know she feel because she lose Donna, you know. And right now see there, she in the hospital and I eat a whole heap of pain, a whole heap of pain, a whole heap of drip. She under. And I one daughter she lose. So you Mama Gwen, you're strong. You understand? I know you're mourn. We know you're under pain. We know the foot there for you. We know the bills them there for you. I see it, everybody gone and left Mama Gwen all alone people. So we have to there because we're not fake people. We're real. You understand? So Mama Gwen, don't worry yourself, you know. We're going to get to you. You understand? Big up yourself and people if you can support Mama Gwen and you understand, physically, emotionally. See, I know Mama Gwen can't cry people. A mother job never done, even a death. Somebody want Mama Gwen number? Mama Gwen, tell me number now.
842-5043.
I know you're not think good, Mama Gwen. Give them the, Mama say, my things that thing will wait from all over the world watch. Give it the era code too. You understand?
Era code 876-842-5043.
Yeah, man. So people,
Thank you.
yeah. A mother job never done people. You understand? So loving the people and take care. I'll go have a look up here. Come here, man. Look it up. Yeah. Alright, you there? You there with Mama Gwen? Alright, people. See it now? And look up, baby, one look like than this. The boy them kill Mama. You understand? So people, we there support mother. All over the world, all mother who lose on the grandpitney or the pitney them. Big up for yourself, all father, all people who are mourn for somebody. Mama Sophie, Donna Lee. So Mama Gwen give her a word of support there. Give Mama Sophie a word of support again, Mama Gwen.
Mama Sophie, blessed afternoon again. I am the one that lost one girl and 5 grandchildren. It's my daughter. And if you're not a child of God, you have to try to seek the Lord. Because when you are a child of God, anything come your way, you can enable to stand up and fight your battle. So I am telling you, if I weren't a child of God, I don't know how I could cope with this. Because God has never leave me. He has never forsake me. In my time of trouble, He is always there by my side to keep me going. So I am telling you this afternoon, be strong, my sister. Have faith in God, because He is the way maker of our life. Just stay strong. I am telling you, it is not an easy road. You understand? But I've been there, and I am still hanging on. So I am asking you, please to just hold on strong. It is very hard to lose the one that you love. It is not easy. But God, He's there to calm you. When the storm is blowing, He will calm the sea. So just take it easy, one step at a time. Please, just be faithful and courageous. Be strong. Be strong to fight your battle. Be strong because God is going to show you what you must know. Yes, God bless you. God bless you. Just believe and strength and have strength in God.
We shall be, Mama.
Just believe in God.
Love you, love you. Yeah,
Just
man.
have faith, Mama.
Yeah,
Just
man.
have faith.
So people, Mama Gwen give Mama Sophie some word of power, word of, you understand? So they say it there. Hold on, that was a call me. Greetings. Oh, I'm never calling about me there with Mama Gwen here, you know. You understand? Alright, no worry yourself, man. Me answer you, man. You want to say something to Mama Gwen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blessed afternoon.
Mama Gwen, back up yourself. Keep on holding to God and changing and here.
Thank you. God bless
Keep
you.
trust God. God will favor you.
Yes. Thank
Greatness
you.
upon you. We know where you go through, but just keep holding faith.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. God bless
Yeah,
you.
you're fat and nice, though you look good. Me not tell me can't stop watching you video where you're dancing at the white t-shirt.
Oh Jesus. Thank you
Can't
so
stop
much,
watching the
man.
video. Yeah, you're
Thank
strong.
you.
Keep strong.
Yeah.
Keep
Yeah, man.
holding to God and changing it.
Mama, God put Mama Gwen up here for us. You understand? All that who feel like them are going to pop down will just look for Mama Gwen.
Me and
Yes,
said,
sir.
come my girl, I am ready for you, because if it was the love of God, I know I couldn't manage it. I know I could not hold out this, but it's the strength of God that is keeping me alive today. You understand? Yes.
Keep holding to God and changing it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Yes, ma'am. God bless you, ma'am. You just be strong. Yeah, love you too, my sister. Blessings, mama. Okay.
Yeah, man, Mama. People about the still support her. You understand?
And say I've loved you everything. You know what I'm saying? That's the one. And you're with God, so God with you.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah. I build it. More power. More energy and strength.
Mama, you don't know such 100 miles me I forgot back in, but it no matter the mile.
Yeah. Respect and honor.
Now,
Yes,
as,
yeah, man, I love you.
yeah, man, we're there for you, Mama. Nobody I believe we're going to left here, no? You understand? And as I tell you, we're going to see what more you find out who control the horse there. If anything, we're going to buy the horse and we're going to turn it now in a museum. Where's the
Just
big
like
boss?
that. Oh, you know what I say? Request anything, I say right.
Yeah, man,
You know what I say?
because-
It's good for in a museum, better kids them, people see what's going on.
Yeah,
you know,
but
like
people-
how Bob Marley in a berry.
Yeah.
That's the way you do that. You know,
Yeah.
You put it up in the nice, they go with some little things in it, like a grave and
Yeah.
everything. If you can buy, you can buy.
Yeah,
People remember that. That's the biggest thing at my Jamaica.
yeah,
Oh,
worldwide.
you get me
Yeah, man.
worldwide. So
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Your grandchildren.
I wouldn't have come there to get you to know. So,
To listen to them around.
alright. Rasta one. Ras,
Where are they? They are New York, I'm going to call you, you know, people.
actually I'm busy, man. You say I only put me for the Donna Lee case and we're there and I feel like, you know, the spirit of call, say, you know, say something, you know, nah, go and go to Mama Gwen, but you know, say she's a proud man. So come here,
I keep him going.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep him going. I'm more energy.
light cut off, bills up, you understand? So, and plus, she have a little sore foot, stick to the father and she under the field. You understand? We have to come and everybody got the
You
fan.
have to do what you have to do.
Yeah, man.
That's why you're real general.
Save! Alright, young Rasta. Oh, the big one. Yeah, man. Yes, people. Big up Queen Regina. Alright? Yeah, people. Yeah, man. So, as me say, people, we have it there for Mama Gwen, people. I want to give her the support because, let me tell you something. A real leader Don't left in soldier, left in people behind. What sign of sufferation, and what sign of sadness, and what sign of sorrow. We don't left people. Because I just, they're the people and a spirit tell me say, yo, something nah go on good with Mama Gwen, you know. But you know, me already know Mama Gwen. She proud. She not go beg nobody, she not go ask nobody for nothing. So, go people. Light cut off people. See how the JPS them son. And people, I tell you say, if you call me upon the other number. Oh, we got Mama. Love you, you know. See that people? The house still feel the spirit them people. You understand? Door lock people. Cold night people. See people, feel the spirit them people. Paid up here over here people. Feel the really and truly people. Nobody now gonna live in that house. Uncle, not even somebody who is insane gonna live in that house of people. So, I'm gonna talk to the high chief them, and we're gonna see if we can jump around together people and deal with the house of people and turn it into a museum. Because as you hear the big man say, Jamaica Recross, the man say, museum people. So if you don't agree with the people, you can left on a comment and make you know to turn the house into a museum. Because see the people, see all now see the blood still up on the wall people. The blood still up on the wall of the house and people. I know the blood, nobody now go wash it off people. Not even, it was a rent house, you know, people. Rent it. See it here? And that's why I tell you, say, if a foreign people, you just see the people come put some teddy bear upon the ground and kangle the bone and one bag of thing. But our people them have no heart again. Because see that always a serious matter, people still there laugh and they skin them teeth and nobody not getting a joke. Because of the only it happened to. And a fool the family it happened to. And your daughter or son it happened to. Mama Gwen go through a whole heap of things, people. You see the politician them, Babs the Grange, them try to set up me and Mama Gwen people. But people, we love Mama Gwen. Love is not about hype, because you say if we did there for hype or we did there for show, we don't say yo, violation go on, but people we did there and we still there genuinely. I will still have come drop a token with Mama Gwen people. That's how the Empress Day, January the 14th, me reincarnate people. I give my last to the people them. Me can't go on my bed and know say a man out the hungry. No people. So the thing said people. Me can't go on my bed hungry, belly full, and know say people out there hungry. See that people there will feel away. See that people. Only thing I go back to Kingston with now people. I saw maroon money. See that's some maroon money and 1,000 Jamaican dollar with $50. We just say Mama Gwen, wallet. Hello Mama Gwen. I said, I can't give you all of your things. I said, Mama Gwen, you need it more than me. May your basket, Mama Gwen, ever overflow. People, if you can give Mama Gwen a contribution for help pay the bills and them thing there. Because see, our daughter did do nursing, our daughter did sell, I look a phone card and I look a bag juice and I look a sweet to them at the house and I help take care of our mother. Because enough people don't want to tell us Mama Gwen sickly, but Father God keep Mama Gwen a purpose. See the people at the yard that the boy kill and the government them say them now go hang him. Mama Gwen must forgive and forget. And the government never tell that Andrew Wallace never tell Mama Gwen people. And the boy in a jail underneath human rights protection after him kill 4 little baby and 1 mother and shut our community. People, We don't know. We don't know people. Your look grandmother next door, yeah, so. Grandma, where you going? Yeah. Why? I've got to look for Mama Gwen, you know.
Eh?
I forgot to look for Mama Gwen.
Push it up, push this.
Yeah, man, see that. Yeah, man.
Respect,
Go on, uncle.
Peace and love.
Yeah, what time to let me know now, so I want to know the emperor there.
Yeah, man.
Maroon.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, come Mama, give me a hug, man. I want you, man, but yeah, go and get a young girl.
Right.
Mama, go and she still young, but she elbow
Oh
the
my
feet.
God, I'm a good funny girl, you know.
Yeah.
My God.
So, Mama, so you're there next door, because next door you live.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
That means if your door do open, the boy probably not come in for you too.
Eh? Jesus Christ, and if my husband in London go there, maybe not kill him.
Yes.
And say,
Am I tenant, let me know.
Are you a tenant?
Yes.
Am I tenant?
Why wicked man in all long if he dead?
Christ.
You know
When
when
he-
government food.
When he-
Yeah.
Wicked.
When his son come tell me say, when his son tell me say,
Yes,
I mean
Mama.
that you know.
Are you that
Why
man?
you say to me?
Are you Mama man?
Oh my God.
Yeah,
I'm
Mama.
sorry I couldn't make him to go at funeral.
No, we know
But
say,
the foot,
we know
see.
the foot. I see Mama going foot up the sick. Yeah.
And my foot sick and me can't get it, but I hear say funeral go on.
Yeah, man, the funeral go on good, man.
So you from Maitland?
No, you know, so Kingston, I come from.
Eh?
But you know, I have to come down here because you know, I made the emperor, so I have to come all over the place.
Me live
I
at
come show
Kingston,
you.
you know.
All right.
Rockford.
Rockford.
Eh.
Oh, yeah, water with them, man. All right.
You know that Daniel Xavier Haberdashery? The Rockford. And them used to work.
Oh, see, Ashanti Maroon this, you know?
Yes, man. We know that.
Real Ashanti
We
Maroon.
know no.
Real Ashanti Maroon.
You know Everton Blender?
Yeah.
Everton Blender married to my mother niece.
Everton, I'm a good friend, man. Yeah.
I mean, can't know me cousin a lot.
Yeah,
Can't know
man.
him.
Uncle, you are ward now. Because, you know, nobody now gonna live back over the house.
No,
you know.
sir.
Yeah.
That's
So,
all knows.
we want to turn the house in a museum.
I'm with you.
Yeah, man.
Nobody wanna feed.
Then my
We have
dad
to go
kissed
check with
me.
it.
Yeah.
We will talk with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So that's why I want to link with you now.
Yeah.
That's what link with the owner and see if we can paint up the pit in them picture night and that's tourists can come from all over the world and come and
That
come
would
see.
a good man.
Yeah, man.
If you wanna go make
Yeah.
drink
Me expect. You have to leave your phone number, Gwen.
Yeah, me gonna left my number and
Yeah,
give
but
man.
you write one.
Take right down my number, man. And give me a number too.
Yeah.
Boy, mama, me not tell you, it's sad, man. It mash up the whole world.
Every time me say, every time me look round here, man give me a look
And me
man.
keep
Because
it
like
here,
that,
and me
okay.
keep her here.
Yeah.
When she go to school, and he say when they come, give the children them, but anybody come and not give the kids.
Yeah.
And only baby father them.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Why
Oh
me
my
this is
God.
something I can't done.
Yeah.
Can't done.
Boy, I'm going
Me
to
just
them.
a look on them, you know.
And they say and dream and they tell them say when they go over there, you know see no clothes or nothing.
Yeah.
And I in my house in there.
Yeah. Oh, God, should them clean out the clothes. Yeah.
No, because them
They take out the before 9 days.
Oh, them should have cleaned the house before 9 days.
No.
And this Thursday last week your house clean.
Yeah.
But they take out the something them before.
Yeah.
Very angry thing.
Yeah,
Just
man.
put your name better, man.
Yeah, man.
So I told you
Are you
this now.
heard about this?
No, man. You have to give me number, man.
Yeah.
But you put your number and your name there.
Yeah, man. Well, get two number for me.
Yeah.
It look like what we are waiting.
No, sir, me no think so. I just see funeral when you do me.
Come used to work at Daniel Xavier and Mother's Street. And we know how to do it.
Yeah, man. So the two number you get.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, son. But
Yeah.
Give you now.
give me fear number, Cleve. Yeah, son.
So which part of town you say you live?
No, we live in Shanty town, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, son. We're from Portmore, go right down from Waltham. We have another place in a Spanish town over a place named Inzud. Yeah,
Yes, you know
son.
in Zudu.
Yeah, man. So we don't know. But me's all around that.
Yes.
Yeah, son. So, Mama, boy, you look good, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, over there, man. And the house clean and original. People see it there. Yeah, man. Pretty, like gold. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Sugar, where going? Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. You know, say the youth related to Andrew.
Oh, that's the one who killed the Donna Lee murder.
Yeah, no, man, the one who killed the four youth them.
It related to Andrew Wallace?
I tell you a fact, so I know personally.
Yeah. Them can have a resemblance still,
Yeah.
but
Yeah, what I tell you, man, I tell you straight up. Him related to Andrew Holiness big time, close.
that's the one who killed the four pitney the five and the mother.
Yeah.
It related to
Yeah.
Andrew Wallace?
Yes, man, the gang can go show you which part them originate from.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And that's why they might defend him so.
That me I tell you, no, that's why me I tell you, no. Andrew Wellness no want that to come out.
Alright. Papa Jesus, to the case I give the pillar.
This is what me I tell you, qualified with me I tell you, link with my people them are foreign there.
Yeah.
But me have to make you know the 100 why them a treat him so.
Yeah, come and say, oh, you have to kill 4 baby and 1 baby mother. And them a treat her like a Hilton hotel there.
Then hold on, man. When you
Doctor,
think of
let's check up on you for a week.
You know, see a personal security go deal with the boy.
Every week, listen me have my water friend and the man them say every week, doctor come check up on him and you understand, and him get good food and me say look at Mama Gwen down the road there so and a sore foot a bad her, a new man have pressure on one bag of thing. A new man, you know, so Mama Gwen like half down there. Yeah, man.
Them no business with that, man.
What you say?
Andrew Wallace family
Some
man,
killing
man.
where him
What you
go
say?
with.
I get good food and everything.
Some killing where him go with.
The brother live better than me, you man.
What you say?
From here you go
Your
to the
judgment
know.
go come.
Which man you ever
You think it
hear?
happen?
Which man you ever hear do a shooting of any magnitude or a killing of any magnitude and still in a captive till now?
Yeah.
I'm drop
Check it.
the Oh God.
And I get the treatment where him a get.
Yeah,
Not
man.
even Blombard. Not even Tony Wells get the treatment where him get to
Not
Blombard.
even Dodos.
Not even Godos. Get that.
Andrew Wallace and him a family.
Yeah, man. Cause
And
see the
cousin, blood cousin.
No man.
oh, never see smoke without fire, but listen me, you know although you tell me now, you know how the Empress stay, me go want some proof, but me go link you after the show, yeah?
Hold on, when you link me over the show, I'm going to show you the proof them.
Sugar, remember he is a rich man, you know. And so, you know, say rich people like you don't tell lie. You understand? And you would come, your career up on the line.
No, but no.
But what you say, come here, say, oh, the boy, you get doctor visit every week and you get special food and human rights, you check up on him and police, you get threatened, say, for 1 year upon him, hurt him, they're going to lose him job.
And then not get it.
What is?
And then not get it.
Hold on.
Mama no bother cry, man. Sugar, you walk out, mama there cry, I know mama, I know how she get emotional.
High court, make a high court with judge. They know where they wear wig. He in a high court for me I work with lawyer. And me have to go in there and see how some people gone to prison.
And him do the 5 life.
Mama, yeah, mama. Well,
5
no.
life. And him a get queen.
Mama, don't worry yourself now. Yeah. Mama say, me go up on the road there because the battery kind of low too, you understand? So me go call her, but who want to turn over there and music myself, we can bring in some people from all over the world and make the community to get the highlight to something. Because out of the bad, who have to try for can get to go good.
Then they go get with them.
Get to kill him, boy. Get to my backside.
Get him, man.
What's what? Anyhow, we get out and sell him and kill him rotted.
Boy, mama, love you, you know. Me come visit her again, yeah, mama.
Yes,
Uncle, me go call you, you know.
Yes, man.
And thanks for let me in the house,
Yes,
yes, and
man, yes,
love you, know.
man, yes, man,
Yeah,
yes,
man.
man, yes, man.
Auntie, out there, you know, love you, know. Yes, people.
Alright.
Yes. See the people. See the freedom house, you feel. So, if Master Rand did come out, people and say, the year them a screen and say, I'm going to help him. Master and church will get cut to people. And then the boy that go over and go murder the people them because him now left no witness. So people, me there no people.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.